Sir, good afternoon, respected resource person, KV Sitaram Garu, Zonal Head AP and Telangana from Patanjali Products. A hearty welcome from the Department of MBA, sir. Dear colleagues and students, I have been planning a course of lecture series for our students, sir. From among these lecture series, this is the first one we have been organizing with you, sir. This is the first lecture series. Welcome you for this first talk, sir. Now, our students are going to present the brief profile about you, sir. Sir is going to present about the sales and distribution management. Now, to all of you students, I hope you understand. Last 15 minutes, you can raise the queries, you can raise the questions. Sir will be available for us in this platform itself. Now, I request Suresh to just hand over to the students to present the profile of our resource person. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to one and all. I request Anjana to give the brief introduction about our today's guest.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Anjana, MBA student, take the privilege of introducing our guest, Mr. K. Venkata Sitaram, sir. Sri Venkata Sitaram is a graduate of Electronic Sciences. He started his career in 1994 as sales representative in Velvety International Pharma Products Limited. Since then, he worked in many prestigious companies in various strategic profiles. He worked as sales officer in Parley Products, handling 15 distributors across the state. He worked as state sales manager in Everest Food Products, high-fiving its pride to 35 lakhs turnover in 1 year span. He laddered in his career as AP State Sales Manager at Jyoti Laboratory in 2004, where he boosted their business to 1 crore. He moved his career direction towards GM Pens International, that is Reynolds, as Area Sales Manager for AP, where he established platform of success. Therewith, 1.28 crores business in just 3 months. He left no songs untuned. He offered his services for Patanjali. He worked as Journal Sales Manager for Bharati Airtel Limited. Later, he worked in Reliance Communications as cluster head at Vijayawada. Wherever he goes, he makes success to follow him. Some of his jewels in his crown of success are: he was recognized as Best Distribution Cluster in financial year 2015 and 2016. He won Best People Manager Award in 2008-2009 from Bharati Airtel. He won Best Journal Manager in 2009 and 2010 from Bharati Airtel. He has successfully completed Greenbelt project at Bharati Airtel. Now, I would like to hand over this session to our guest.
Hi, everyone. Very nice to meet you in this platform. It's a good opportunity for me to meet all the youngsters. So just today we'll discuss about the sales and marketing subject function, which is an important function for every company. As you know, any intelligent can make a product, but making the product will not give any success, because until it has to sell in the market. Unless you don't sell the product, the revenue will not generate to the company. So in every company, sales and marketing is a backbone of the company. Okay, if the sales and marketing team works effectively and get a revenue for the company, then only other people will have a jobs, like accountant, finance, other people. Once these people will sell and generate the revenue, then only other divisions and departments will have jobs. So it is a one function which is very, very important in the company's profile. So now we discuss about the marketing first. Marketing, sales is a part of marketing. If you can see, so many people will say that he is a marketing person. If you can see, in every company, so many sales people will be there and the marketing people will be very less. Marketing, sales is a function in a part of marketing. If you can see, in any company, 95% people will be the sales and 5% people will be the marketing. Okay. how it is marketing. First, we'll clearly define the marketing. Marketing is very clearly defined as understanding the needs of the customer, understanding the needs of the customer and fulfilling it. The marketing definition is very simple, that understanding the needs of the customer and fulfilling it. So this marketing platform is started on the 4 P's. One is product, second one is price, and third one is promotion, and fourth one is positioning and placement. 4 P's. So these 4 P's is very clear. Product, first which product, and how we can satisfy the customer with the product. So first P is a product, and the second P is price. Price is an MRP which will have the revenue of the company and the profit of the company is also. And the number 3 is positioning and place, which is like it is a direct sales or online sales, or it is a distribution sales, the positioning of the particular product. And then promotions. Promotions is nothing but ads, TV ads, press ads, as well as online ads, social media ads. All these things will come into that. So these 4 P's are very important for a marketing person. And in this marketing, they will have 2 verticals. One is sales as well as in distribution. Okay. If you can see, I can give some case study example, because I don't want to tell in a story way, so people will get bored. So I want to give so many examples in my lecture. The first example is that we are seeing that Pulse Polio ad. Pulse Polio ad, which Amitabh Bachchan is giving that ad in the national media. The WHO has given ad to through Amitabh Bachchan. But generally, the customer of this Pulse Polio is below 3 years baby or 2 years baby, whatever it may be. But the baby cannot decide whether they can take the Pulse Polio or not. His parents has to decide. His mother, his father, or somebody has to decide. The ad has come with an Amitabh Bachchan and putting the namaskar that everybody has to go and do the Pulse Polio for below 3 years baby. Like that, the ad has to ad is coming previously. And as you know that an Indian household, everybody will have grandfather, grandmother in the house. 70-80% of the families of an Indian family, we respect the elders, so that we'll have the people. So they say that are polio aayega nahi, it will not come. Why you want to go and take it? Because they see Amitabh Bachchan in an aggressive way, and he is hand holding and saying that aap jao, jaake polio lagao, bachchon ko ye karo, wo karo. If he is saying very smart way, smooth way, people are unable to get it. And the grandfather, grandmothers, Amitabh Bachchan ko dekhe to Shahanshah mein dekhe, Amitabh Bachchan ko dekhe to very aggressive role mein they have seen. So now Amitabh Bachchan is coming and hand holding and saying that nobody is able to tell. And if the parents are interested to go also, the grandfathers and grandmothers and grandfathers are saying, "Arey kya jayega? Hamara bachche ko thode aayega. Chodo. Mana valaki em vastundile oddu." Anna concept lone vallu avoid chesevaadu. Then slowly understood, they have done 2 years survey in the Indian market. The WHO has done 2 years survey in the Indian market. They understood that what is the problem. So all the people, they are seeing Amitabh Bachchan in a very aggressive manner in their old movies, in the Shahanshah and other things. And he is coming and hand holding and saying, and nobody is able to understand. Nobody is able to take the theme in the minds. So now they changed the ad. That time, the aggressively Amitabh Bachchan is saying that if the people are not taking it, then the children's life future will be very effective, and very aggressively is coming out with the ad, and very strongly is giving the message without hand holding, without asking, and very aggressively, very actively is saying that. So then the people immediately, the next couple of months, the Pulse Polio, all the kendras has filled with the babies and the parents, because it's only the mindset. The same product Pulse Polio, that time also same Pulse Polio, and as well as this time also same Pulse Polio. If you can see the difference, the people mind is acting very effectively, ineffectively according to our presentations. So I'll give so many examples for this. If you can see, coming to the FMCG products, you can see the Reynolds. you can say that the marketing is an utter flop for the Reynolds. Because as you know, you can ask your parents and your lecturers, because last 20, 25 years old, they are studying in the schools and colleges. There you can see Reynolds 045 is a writing instrument. Reynolds pen was very famous. As I write my examinations, all with 045. All my age group as well as your parents' age group people, if you can ask, 045 is a famous pen. But the company marketing people don't have a future idea, and they have not acquired the youth and the next generation, so that they are unable to go. Only that decade they can able to sell. If you can ask anybody, your parents or that 25 years back people, those who are in the schools, if you ask them, they will recognize 045 is a fantastic pen. But if you can see that after that decade, the 10 years, and they have not, the marketing people of that Reynolds has not even um, understood the future of the company and the products, and they have not presented to the next generation in a very effective way, so that they lost the market. As you know that because of the computers and mobiles, the usage of the pen has come down. Even that also, and other companies has geared up and attracted the youth, and the next generation has followed. I will give, it is a failure marketing example I can say about the Reynolds. Now you cannot see Reynolds pen in a market, and nobody recognizes 045. And I will give a positive marketing example. If you can see the Cadbury's, the Cadbury's is a product where in 1990s, 74% market penetration, because they reached all the children. Because 1990s time, chocolate means only children will have. अरे చాక్లెట్ బడే లోక్ బోలే తో అరే క్యా ఖాతే యార్ చాక్లెట్, ఏం తింటారమ్మా పిల్లలు తినే చాక్లెట్లు మీరు ఎందుకు తింటారని పెద్దవాళ్ళని అనేవారు, ఈవెన్ యూత్ ని కూడా. ఒక టైంలో 1990s ఆ టైంలో క్యాడ్బరీస్ మార్కెట్ షేర్ is 74%. They don't have inch to move, but company wants more business. So the marketing team has planned a strategy which is very effectively. Actually, they in 1993 they have released an ad capturing the youth, because children segment has completed. Children segment, they occupied 74% of the market penetration, and company wants more turnover. So the segment of the children is completed. Then they have to enter into the youth segment. So what they have done, they have released a fantastic ad. Yahi hai Zindagi bolke, everybody knows, I think so. 1990s means you also seeing the TV. The girl, the young girl dancing from the crowd to the cricket ground, coming into, which is a fantastic ad, and everybody remind this even till today also. So Yahi hai Zindagi bolke, one Hindi song will be there. So with that ad, they have attracted the youth, and slowly the youth has completely impacted on the advertisement and started taking the chocolate. And they have not stopped there. First children targeted, then they targeted youth, and they entered into the family. They have replaced sweets instead of chocolates. And in the effective times, birthdays, festival celebrations, they used to give they introduced the family packs and gift packs. So slowly they have captured the children's, then they captured the youth, and they captured the families also. So they entered and they expanded their market in a targeted customers. So this is a successful way of marketing. I told you the failure way of Reynolds, because they don't have a future thought, so they failed. Whereas those marketing in Cadbury's, they have a future thought. They want to increase the turnover. They want to go forward, so that they have targeted children, youth, as well as family. And one time, if you can see that they want to replace the sweets also. So instead of sweets in Diwali, people used to give chocolates to the people. So that the scenario they have done. So marketing is a key role where you can replace the product and enter into the different segments of the people and the different products. I can give some of other examples also in the due course. But only the thing is that we need to understand the Pulse Polio, Reynolds, as well as our Cadbury's. If you can see the difference, one ad can make the difference. one promotional activity can make the difference. Okay. And if the marketing is not completely understood the requirement of the customer, and it not targeting the whole, different segments of the customer, the product will die. So marketing is a very key role from packing. If you can see, so many products are available in the market, and the same product, if you can see biscuit point of view, if you can see some packs are very attractive, that completely we know the work of that marketing in that packet. And the pricing part also, if you can see, which is more economy. If you can see now, Patanjali is a company where they will give a very economy price to the customer. If you can say, I will give a small example. If a salt packet of a Tata is 20 rupees per kg, Patanjali will give it 12 rupees. So value for money, promotional activities, as well as product attraction, and the placement. Placement means either it is a direct product or indirect, direct sales or indirect sales, either the distribution or the outlet to outlet or shop to shop or house to house. This will all be decided by the marketing team. So this is the marketing work where the marketing people will do all these things. And before doing all these, they will have a market survey. They understood the market properly and understood the competition properly and act accordingly. Now coming to the sales. If you can see the sales is an act of selling. Sales and distribution is connected with the marketing. The marketing people is only sitting and planning all these things and doing the survey and giving the right feedback to the people, where to sell, what to sell, how to sell. All these things will give a feedback to the sales people, and sales people will come to the operations. If you can see, marketing majorly 70% of the boardroom job and 30% is the market working job, whereas sales is 80% of the market job and 20% is the boardroom job. Okay, making the presentations and meetings, other things will be there in the sales. So if you can see in the sales is a complete act of selling. It is an important function of the marketing. Marketing में जो functions रहेगा उसमें sales is an important function. If you can see, I told you already, if you can see in any company, if the marketing department is around 100 people, 5 people will be marketing and the 95 people will be sales. Because sales is, why it is important is they will generate the value to the company. So until unless the revenue is not there to the company, if you have a great product, if you don't sell, then it is useless. So the important function of sales is very, very important. If you can see, marketing sales is divided into two parts. One is direct sales and then indirect sales. The direct sales is like this key, directly going and meeting the customer. Okay. So indirect sales is through distribution. That means we don't know who is the customer. We will supply the stocks through distribution to an outlet. That distributor, that retailer will sell. The outlet is a retailer. Retailer will sell the product to the customer. We don't know who is the end customer. We know our customer is a retailer and retailer customer is an end customer. So we don't know the end customer in the indirect sale. And the direct sale directly will do the customer. If a direct sale, if you can see the example like banking, insurance and online sales, all these things. As you know very clearly that online sales has become very effective in the last 2-3 years. And if you can see that China is #1 in the world and USA is the second number 2 in the world in online sales, and #3 position is in India. If you can see, we are very aggressively growing on the online sales. And if you can see 137 crores of population, mobile usage is very high in India, which is 119 crores of mobile users are there. In that 119 crores, 2018 or so, the internet users are around 48 crores. And they predicted that the survey is done by the government institute, and they have predicted that by 2020-21, the 48 crores of internet users will go up to 80 crores of population. So when the internet penetration is going up, and automatically the online business will go up. If you can see the online business pattern in 2018, 2019, roughly all over the world is growing online business at 19%, 19%, whereas India is growing at 90% speed. Okay. See, the simple in this is online business is simple that without investment, without having infrastructure, keeping a laptop and a proper website, you can do the business. So with a low investment, they can get an as usual profits like a retailer. Because if you are opening a shop, and keeping an infrastructure, putting a rent and showroom, making a showroom, as well as you have to have some people to serve there. So they have employers, salary, manpower cost, all these things will not be there in the online business, so that it is growing fast. And second point is that no, now if you are placing an outlet in one place, only you are targeting that area customers. Only you're targeting the particular area customers. Whereas in an online business, you can target the worldwide. So customer base is huge, the requirements are huge, so that easily they can able to capture the complete market. So that the online business is growing in a 90% speed, in particular India. So probably the way online business is going in the next 2021, we may cross USA in online business, and the first one is China. So we may not able to cross China because their population is high and they are completely evaluated in the online business. They are far better than us, so that it will take time. But I'm sure that by 2021, we may reach to second place in online business. We may cross US also. So completely, you can see that direct sales, that online sales will come, corporate sales. As you know, corporate companies are going and supplying to the corporates. If you can see the tea vendor missions, and you can see that stapler, pen, stationery, all these corporate sales will be a separate wing in the companies, where the people will go and directly meet the customer and take the requirement and supply. So these are all the direct sales. If you can see the banking, if the people are going to the bank, so bank will try to upsell you other products, like you have a bank account. So they will say that the housing loan is there, housing loan, very attractive interest rates are there, so that they will try to impress you with the interest. So they will upsell another products of there. So these are the direct sales segments, where the people can influence the customer directly. They can attract with their other products and they can upsell the product. So direct sales we can understand the mentality of the customer, and accordingly we offer them. And another one is indirect sale, where the distribution takes place. Here so many layers are there to sell the product. If you can see a soap or a biscuit packet or any FMCG product for that matter, or any small value product, there they cannot directly go and give it to the customer, and the requirement is used our regular using items, FMCG products, soaps, soaps, shampoos, all these products we cannot supply in a direct way. So that now we are indirect sales, we are following the distribution model. So distribution model, there is so many layers are there. First one is the C&FA super stockist, which is a company depot or the third party super stockist system. Then the stocks will come from company to super stockist and C&FA. From there it will go to the distributor, and from there distributor to the retailer. Okay, these are the three layers are there, and from retailer to the customer, end customer. So to supply the goods in an indirect sales, all these layers will be there. So once the salesperson, if he is going to an indirect sales, you have an opportunity to meet the customer directly and understand the customer and present it in a such a way to motivate and get your outcome. Whereas in an indirect way, to understand the behavior of the customer is very difficult. Until unless he do the market survey, he cannot understand the mentality of the customer. Okay. So, and even in the direct sale, you can upsell because the salespeople will have the targets, and definitely every salespeople want to push the products. If the customer is taking one product, they try to offer some more products to upsell and get a high revenue to the company. So the direct sales people will have an opportunity to push the product to direct customer. If the banking people, if you are going to a bank, they will see your account, they will give the details, they will see the balance, they will ask you, sir, why don't you have a deposit with us? Why don't you take a housing loan from us? Ours is 8.5, ours is 7.5. So they try to upload wherever you go, try to take something, they will try to upload you, upsell their products, which will give a additional benefit to them. Because already he's selling 100 rupees product, he is getting 10-20%. So if you add another 50 rupees with that, so you will get an additional margin on that also. So a simple thing is that to increase the sales of in direct sales, either you have to increase the customers, then only the sales will increase. Either you have to increase the customers or you have to sell more products to one customer. Then the direct sales will improve. And coming to the distribution model, as I said very clearly that we don't meet the end customer because C&F super stockist to distributor, distributor to retailer, and the customer will come and buy the product from the retailer. So we cannot directly meet the customer, so that we'll motivate the retailer. The same strategy we'll implement here to the retailer, that will try to push more products to the same retailer, or number of retailer we try to place the product, which will give the good value of the sales. I can give you some of the example, which is an inspirational examples we have. One is Patanjali and Baidyanath. See how the companies act, how the marketing and sales people act in time, which will give a fantastic business, fantastic opportunity to grow the companies. If you can see Baidyanath, Baidyanath is an Ayurvedic company where Patanjali is also an Ayurvedic company. Okay, Baidyanath is there from 1917 and Patanjali is there from last 10 years. Do you know the turnover of Baidyanath? It is 700 crores and month on month it is coming down. Whereas Patanjali is 10,000 crores company, month on month it is growing. Do you know what is the small secret? The people are changing, thought process are changing, and people don't have time to think and do about it. So that as we discussed, online business has gone up. The Baidyanath and Patanjali, the difference is Baidyanath still today they are selling the Churna, Leha, same Ayurvedic model they are selling. From 1917, it is 100 years plus whatever the product they are selling. They came another generation, their sons also. Nobody have a thought process to change the product. Still they are selling the same Churna, Leha, that same tablet type Ayurvedic product. What Patanjali has done, you know, the same Ayurvedic has converted into shampoo, soap, okay, and healthy products like noodles. Food products also they have changed from atta to maida, maida to atta. So they have done all Ayurvedic converted into the FMCG products and given to the customer. Everybody wants to use Ayurvedic, but they cannot have that Leha, Churna, all these things. Now they want in a modern way where the Patanjali has taken an innovation and drive the business. Now in the span of 10 years, they reach to the 10,000 crores company and month on month it is growing. Whereas 100 years back Baidyanath, which is having a very good quality products, still they are degrowing because they have to. The grandfather has launched some by name Joshi has launched this company Baidyanath, and his son and his grandson have came into the business and they also driving in the same way. They're not understanding the market scenario and acting accordingly. which has given company degrowth consistently. And I'm sure that next 10 to 20, 15 years, getting the Baidyanath products is also difficult in the market. Okay, these are the important strategies. If you can see Hindustan Lever and Patanjali, HLL is the product, HLL or Procter & Gamble and any other product. You know the HLL products like Surf, Fair and Lovely, Rexona, all these products are Hindustan products. These products, actually they develop product with the particular name. The detergent powder, they name it as Surf. So they put all the money on electronic media, at social media, and leaflets, pamphlets, all these things. They spend a lot of money to create washing powder. The name of Surf, they use crores of rupees to build up that. But whereas Patanjali has saved that money, if you can see any Patanjali product, you will have Patanjali honey, Patanjali. So all the brand name is only Patanjali. And if you can see Surf, Patanjali, if you can see washing powder, it is Patanjali washing powder. So Patanjali as a brand, he is developing, he is putting all the money in Patanjali brand only. Whereas Hindustan Lever, P&G have Pantene shampoo. So the for Pantene brand, the shampoo name is Pantene. They create the names for the products and they spend individual products. They want to segmentize that brand name. So they use investments on this and they spend. Patanjali has done tactically that only name Patanjali without brand, separate brand for the products. Only Patanjali honey, Patanjali paste, Patanjali Dantakanti, Patanjali. You can see any product. They don't have any brand name for the product. If you can see Hindustan, P&G, they have separate brand name. So they have to invest separately for standing up in the market. They have to invest for the every brand crores of rupees. Whereas Patanjali is saving that money and only branding only Patanjali with that product. So hope everybody has understood this. And coming to one more inspirational story of a boy, I can share with you. One by name Ritish Agarwal. Ritish Agarwal is an Odisha guy. From 13 years onwards, he have an interest of world tour. Baap paisa ka hai, have good money, so that 13 years time pe he has seen the world. He traveled a lot. He don't know what to do. He went to London for MBA, but he couldn't able to do. He don't have interest on the academics, so that he came back. And while he is going in Mumbai, he got an idea that one hotel is there where the hotel is not running properly. As you know, that not running hotel, how it will be? It will be old, there is no paint, nothing. And if you can see the counter, the proprietor is sitting very idly and the helpers also sitting here and there. So he went there. He went there and asked the proprietor, I will give the customers to you to occupy your hotel. Can you give me a business share? Then the proprietor said, no, how can I give the share to you? I cannot give any share. If you want to give the customer, you can give it. Either you give any commission to me. No, I cannot give any commission to me. The proprietor said. Then this boy said, chalo, you do one thing. I will make the business. I will make your business. If the profit will come, we will share 50-50. If the loss will come, I'll take care. So Ritish has said that to that proprietor. Then proprietor said, okay, everybody will accept this because the profit is coming. So they take 50-50. The loss is coming. Then Ritish will bear. So proprietor don't have any tension. So he said, okay, anyhow the hotel is not running. Chalo, we'll give it to him. So he has given that hotel. Okay. And what he has done is, do you know, to make a hotel property, a minimum small hotel, to construct a small hotel, 25 to 30 crores to 60 crores to 120 crores. If you can, if you want to build a 4-star hotel, which will be around 60 crores, and around 6-7-star hotel, it is around 120 crores or something. And a small 100 rooms hotel you need to build, then you need to have around 30 crores, 25 to 30 crores. So what he has done, he just invested 3 lakh rupee, and he has cleaned all the, he has taken some people, and he bought some of the decorative items from outside. He neatly painted the hotel, and washrooms, everything is set down. And wherever the inconvenience are there, they set, and some attractive model, one type of model they kept, some lamps, this, that, which will costing around 2 to 3 lakhs. Invested 2 to 3 lakhs on that. And he's jumped in the software platform, so that he has created a website, and he put his hotel for booking. Then he has started doing the business, which has become a #1 hotel company, hotel management company, which is an OYO. Okay, that guy is now 25 years old, and the OYO first acquisition of that hotel, I have told the story. And then the hotel proprietor has called another hotel, those who are suffering with the same problem, and given the reference to Ritesh to handle all this. So all the hotel proprietor has contacted Ritesh, and the hotels has become, all the hotels has become OYO. OYO is nothing but on your own, on your own. So they created all the platform in the website, online website, and which is very easy. Even the 24 hours customer can open their phone and book. And the beauty of this OYO is, with the 3 clicks, 4 clicks, you can book your hotel. Okay, and today, if you can see, and all over the world, around 10,000 hotels, 10,000 hotel groups as taken by OYO, which is, if you can see the Taj, and the old hotels are there, Taj group or any other group, if you can see Fortune group or any other group, if you can all put together, all the hotels put together also, not even 50% of the OYO group. That 25 years today is also 20, probably 26, 27. So Ritesh Agarwal, his name is, and he has become the world #1 hotel, OYO hotel industries proprietor. So 13 years, and he is not well off, but his skill set is very effective, and he understood, his confidence is very well, very high. And when he is talking to a proprietor on the first acquisition, the proprietor feels that he have money, चलो बड़े बाप का बेटा है, थोड़ा पैसा डाल के जाएगा, then we will enjoy all these things, he thought. And he has given an opportunity. The opportunity has turned around, and he has referred so many people to acquire OYO, which will have an advantage to the proprietor as well as OYO. And today also, if you can see the SOP of OYO, SOP is a sales operating system, that particular processes, sales operating process. So the processes, every work, how we have to do, that processes has derived. If your SOPs are correct, then you will get an ISO certification. So if you can see OYO, wherever you see in a hotel, the chairs will be in one place, all the room chairs will be in place. The bed in the some corner, it will be in the same corner. The interior will be the same. The process, even the execution of the team will also the same. Today, if anybody is not performing in OYO, what he will do, you know, he don't send them out. He will send him for the training. He have kept a separate training session and customer feedback. If any customer giving the feedback, they adequate the customer feedback, and immediately if any problem with the manpower, immediately they will send them for the training. After that, they will conduct some examinations. He will see what is they acquired the knowledge. Then accordingly, he will again place him in the role. So the delight of the customer is also there. A delight of the manpower is also there. Delight of the customer is also there, and they maintain the SOP properly so that they are expanding in a very high way, even though there is no failure in the system, which is an inspirational story of this Rishesh Agrawal. Either you want to do a job after MBA, or you want to become an entrepreneur. So the major key skill is an innovative thought process and a strong belief on you to reach your goals. So hope if you like the session, please give the feedback to your management. I'm sure that I have not bored the session because most of the time I have taken 5-6 example. I have not conducted my this meeting with the stories, only the right examples which will be very attractive to all of you. So hope everybody is enjoyed. If anybody feel bored, please let me know so that I will change my tone as well as the subject also. So thank you very much, and congratulations and all the best to your second year examinations. I think so you are joined now. First year has completed. So I'm sure that understand the particular cream of the scale, cream of the function, and utilize it in a proper way. So definitely the fruits will come. I can give my example. I have started as a sales representative with a 2,500 salary in a sales, whereas grown up to the DGM level. At present, I am taking care about 2 states, AP and Telangana, for Patanjali business. Every month we used to meet the Ramdev Baba. So it is a pride moment for us. He's a great man where he speaks with the president, prime minister, and he's a great resource for the India. So we are meeting them today. I feel very happy that I've worked in a different MNC companies like Airtel, Reliance, other companies also. But whereas today, every day while I am seeing a TV, Sachin Tendulkar has done century and somebody has done some gold medal for the India. So I have a feeling that I am not able to do anything to my company because I am serving my services and giving the feed to my family. But now in Patanjali, I'm very happy that one guy who is fighting for the country and giving the resources and helping the people in the Indian economy, that person is standing in India and I am following him. It is a great happiness to me. Thank you very much, and thank you to all. Thank you, Suresh. That's all from my side. Q&A. If anybody have any questions, they can ask me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving a valuable information to our students regarding sales and marketing. Dear students, I request everyone, if you have any doubts or queries regarding to today's session, ask to the sir. మా స్టూడెంట్స్ మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్, మీకు క్వరీస్ ఎవరైనా క్వరీ ఉంటే, డౌట్ ఉంటే, ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్ మీరు మ్యూట్ ఆన్ చేసి సార్ని ఏదైనా క్వశ్చన్ చేయండి. సార్ రెడీ టు గివ్ ద ఆన్సర్.
Sir, hello sir.
Hello.
Sir, this is Dr. Mazhar and actual ga sir. మీ qualifications ఏంటి sir?
నేను BSc Electronics, madam.
Okay sir. BSc Electronics. After that you joined in the Airtel company now.
Yeah. No, ma'am. I have joined in Velvet International Pharma Products Limited, which is innovation of pillow pack.
Sir.
Hello.
Sir,
Yeah,
listening.
I'm listening. Yeah. It is a cough syrup Nivaran 90 manufacturing company, as you know that the pillow pack introducer Velvet International. Today we are getting 2 rupees, 1 rupees, 5 rupees pouch packs that introduced by the Velvet. So that company I have joined as a sales representative, then grown as a sales officer in Parle. Then further I am heading the state for Everest Foods as well as Jyoti Laboratories, JL Morrison, Nivea. And after that, from FMCG, I have joined in Bharti Airtel. I worked for 7 years in Bharti Airtel as a journal manager sales. Then I have worked for Reliance, DGM for cluster, Vijayawada cluster. And then after joined Patanjali last 2 years, I'm working in Patanjali as a journal manager sales for AP and Telangana.
Thank you, sir. So you have some around 23 years of experience in the marketing field, no, sir? Exclusively.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So,
ma'am.
sir, you please suggest our students how marketing will be useful as a career for our MBA students. Will you please guide them?
Yeah, definitely this marketing, sales and marketing, if you have a proper skill set, I'm sure that getting the opportunities are very, very easy, and growing in the industry is very easy. If you have a proper skill set to motivate the people and get a right thought, understanding the other customer needs to explain them and motivate them in such a manner, you can get your goal very easily. Major, if you can see the market scenario, the sales and marketing industry is an important, and it is growing very fast. And opportunities of job opportunities are very, very high, because majorly, as I told very clearly, that the revenue generator is the sales and marketing function. Because all other functions, if anybody have sales and marketing function, then they will go and sell the product and get the revenue for the company. After getting the revenue, other departments will have a job. Accountant will have do the accounts, and finance will have the money to give the people. All these functions will operate based on the sales and marketing function. And if you can see today, job opportunities are very, very high, and the salary will start from minimum for the front line. It's a 5 lakh per annum. The first job getting 5 lakhs per annum is very difficult, as in finance, accounts, or any other thing. Sales and marketing job is very effective job if you have a proper skill set, if you understand how to motivate the people, and you will grow fast. You will grow fast. If you can see any accountant or finance department or HR department, people getting promotions and other things will take a particular time, and they grow very slowly. Whereas marketing people, because if you are so effective in sales and marketing, company will get the more revenue. If company will get more revenue, then automatically.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm unable to see this this one link. Okay. So so we are unable to. Yeah, sorry, ma'am. I couldn't able to see you, so that I stopped.
Yes, sir.
So if you can see, 5 lakh rupees per annum will start. In while I am working in Airtel, I have taken the people from MBA colleges for the frontline corporate sales, which is a territory sales manager position. We offered 5 to 6 lakhs as a salary, first salaries, and further they grow. Today, if you can see that guys used to call me, and they are drawing some 10 to 12 lakhs rupee per month. From last, if you can see, around 4 or 5 years back, they are drawing around 5 to 6 lakhs. At present, they are almost doubled. So doing the getting this double salaries in a span of 4 to 5 years is not easy in any other industry except the MBA sales and marketing. So I feel that once you have taken this course and definitely you have tested your skill set, I'm sure that if you can focus on this, definitely you will get a good opportunity and best career in future. And it is one point I can tell you: if you can effectively do your targets by with your skill set, I'm sure the company wants a revenue. They don't mind even you to promote even 6 months also. I have seen so many cases, even not even, it is a general cycle is 1 year. So sometimes if the people are performing abnormally in the sales and marketing, I have promoted them with an effective of 6 months, 3 months. We have promoted, because that revenue is required for the company, where the revenue can do everything to the company. Without revenue, no other departments will work. So that's all from my side, ma'am. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Sir, a small representation. Is it possible for our students to have an internship in your company, sir? A short-term internship. Is it
Yeah,
possible for our students?
yeah, surely I can give you. So you just give me how many people you want to do the internship, because even after internship also I have a frontline jobs, because the MBA completed people also, if you have anybody, we can give the frontline job, which will be around 15,000, 18,000 salary if they perform well, they understood the industry well, because I'm in the distribution. So they have to maintain the distributor channel as well as to work in the market to get the retail orders. So that is the frontline job. I have an opportunities. Whenever I'll get an opportunities, I'll call you. You can send
Sir,
them. They start from 15 to 20,000 rupees salary initially. If they perform well in the 6 months, we can elevate them to the sales officer level, where the salary will be around 5 to 6 lakhs. And then after they will grow further as per the set of the skill.
very good, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, a small doubt. What is the market share of Patanjali in the AP market, sir?
So AP market, if you can see, we have three segments. One is food, and another one is biscuit industry, and another one is cosmetics. Cosmetics and biscuit, all three put together, we are doing some 30 crores turnover per month. Okay. So if you can see other industries, we have captured some 33% of the market share.
Sir, very good, sir.
So fairly, this company in the last 10 years with an aggressive team, majorly while they are taking the people, they will see the particular skill set of the people than their academics and other things. So they will see the spark of the sales, whether they have the spark of the sales or not, and the personal skill set also they will check. Once the people are good, definitely the organization will be good. Organization is nothing but making the people. So if the people are good, automatically the organization will also become good.
Yes, sir. Very good, sir. Students, do you have any doubts? If you have doubts, you please ask this, sir. Yes, you convey. You can. You, if you have any queries, you can ask. You can proceed. Students, very happy to associate you, sir. Lot of experience you're having in the marketing field. You have given so many examples to the students. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Then thank you very much. I think so. Nobody have doubts.
It
Somebody
seems,
has
sir.
raised the hand.
Yes, sir. 5 of them have raised their hands, sir, but nobody asking. I'll just check out, sir. I'll come out once, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, who are your competitors? Actually, for most of the FMCG products, FMCG companies are your competitors. How you are handling the competition?
Yeah, ma'am. If you can see that Ramdev Baba, who is the founder of this company, have an intention to supply Patanjali all the household items, starting from morning toothpaste, toothbrush to even the night till good night level. So we have around 2,000 products. So if Patanjali is there, that will fulfill all the needs of a customer. So that is the way we are providing. So our competition is all the companies, all the products. We can see today all the small companies we have fighted well. Now we are fighting with Hindustan Lever. Already we have crossed Hindustan Lever some time back. Now at present scenario we are having a neck to neck fight with HLL and PNG. If you can see, the secret of Patanjali is only point one is that Indian products, whatever the revenue we are generating, that should affect you in India only. So the using of Indian products will have the revenue for our future generation, so that the Indian people will buy the Indian product, the money will circulate in India. It is point number one. That is the slogan. Swadeshi product is a slogan for us, which has given a very good mileage for us. And number two is that already I have explained that we don't create any separate brand for the product. As I explained very clearly, P&G have a shampoo. Its name is Pantene. Pantene, to build the Pantene name, they spend crores of rupees, advertisement and other effective things. You can see in the market, POP, other things, they spend crores of rupees, but we don't waste our money in creating the particular brand name for the product. We want to create only one brand name, which is Patanjali. If you can see our shampoo, it is Patanjali shampoo. If you can see our soap, Patanjali soap. It is not particular product branded. It is only Patanjali branded. So that we are saving our money on 2000 products brand building. That money we are keeping to build only Patanjali brand. So that if you can see, 99% of the people, customers, can immediately remain Patanjali. Oh, that Swami Ramdev Baba product. So everybody will remain. So we are pumping all the money in the brand of Patanjali instead of creating separate segment. As I said previously, Surf detergent powder, Hindustan Lever has created a name of Surf. So they have pushed their money for making Surf. If that Surf is using for other products also. So they have pumped so much of money to create the washing powder as a Surf name. So if you can see, our washing powder is Patanjali washing powder, that's all. So only we are focusing on one name, so that we are saving lot of money, and we are pumping. If Hindustan Levers can give 10 ads, we can give 100 ads. So if you can see, evening from 6 to 9, you will see only Patanjali ads, because at the cream time we can capture and we can do it. That is one more secret where we get success. And Swadeshi is one secret where the money will have in India, so that the future generation, the money will rotate here, which will be helpful for the growth of our taxes, our products, our people, our money, our government to use for our people, so that the future generation will have a bright this one. So the Swadeshi movement is the secret, majorly I can say.
Sir, thank you,
Do you have
sir.
anything?
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am Anjana, sir. I had a small doubt.
Yeah, Anjana, tell me.
Sir, how did COVID-19 impact on Patanjali, sir?
Yeah, I can say that every month I used to do some 2 crores plus business. Whereas I used to travel, I used to conduct the meetings, I used to put lot of con calls to get that 2 crores plus. But whereas last 2 months sitting in the home, just coordinating with the phone, because of the food products, I can cross in my business very easily. Because as you know that our other division like cosmetics, except sanitizers, other products are not much of.
Yes, sir.
But whereas in the food products, we are already multiplied because everybody is hurry of taking the food product, so
Yes,
that
sir.
whether it is Patanjali, Hindustan, nobody knows from last 60 days. If the food product is available, people are taking it from the shops and whatever 1-2 hours as it has opened, so that our sales has multiplied. I'm sure that our food division has done multiply into 3. So probably in the next 3 months, we may cross 100 crores also. That's the status. Actually, COVID has done health as particularly in the business part. Other industries are really damaged. Whereas coming to our product, it has advantaged us. So we can able to manage our turnover with a very effective way. And as you know that we have taken the government permissions, even the tough lockdown times also we used to supply and service the people to give the product in time.
Yes, sir. We also
So it
heard
has
about
really
it.
helped us, Anjana.
Ah, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
thank you very much, Anjana. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for the this invitation, and thank you all for the support, Suresh. Thank you very much for your coordination and other things.
Thank you, sir. One
Bye-bye,
minute.
ma'am.
Thank you.
1 minute, sir.
We have
Yeah.
the vote of thanks.
Vote of
We have one vote of thanks.
I
by our
request,
student.
I request our student Harita to take on the vote of thanks regarding this session.
I, Harita, take the privilege of proposing vote of thanks for this online lecture, Sales and Distribution Management. First, I thank our guest, Sri K.V. Sitaram Sir, for spending his valuable time with us in delivering the live issues in sales and distribution, and the solution he proposed that arise in our journey of marketing. I thank KBN College Secretary and Correspondent Sri T. Srinivasu Sir and Managing Committee for being a seed to this notable lecture. I thank our college principal, Dr. V. Narayan Rao Sir, for being with us all the way. I thank our PG courses director, Sri Venkatesh Sir, for his ramparting. I thank our director and HOD of MBA department, Dr. Mazaruniza Begum ma'am, for being a pillar to this lecture. I thank our faculty for their flotation. I thank HOD of Computer Science Departments, Sri Ravindra Sir, for his support. I thank to the technical support team for their facilitation in conducting this program successfully. I extend my thanks to all the participants for their active participation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for spending your
Yeah,
valuable.
thank you, Suresh. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. We will be associate with you in future also.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
In our conventional classes, we invite you to come to the college and to deliver the lecture to the students. Maybe in COVID
Sure,
time we
ma'am.
have arranged this online classes. In future, we plan for that also, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Suresh, can we leave?
Yes, madam.
Thank you, Suresh. Ravindra, thank you very much.